Did you know the greatest general in ancient history was never beaten in battle, but his own city destroyed him anyway? Hannibal of Carthage crossed the Alps with war elephants and tens of thousands of soldiers. Rome never saw it coming. He crushed Roman armies at Trebia, then Trasimene, then Cannae, where he killed roughly 70,000 Roman soldiers in a single afternoon. Generals still study that battle today. He camped on Italian soil for 15 years, waiting for reinforcements from Carthage. They never came. Carthage's Senate saw his victories as a political problem. Sending more troops would only make Hannibal more powerful, so they sent nothing. Rome slowly strangled his army, not by beating him in the field, but by outlasting him while his own side watched. He eventually fled into exile, bouncing between foreign kingdoms as Rome hunted him across the Mediterranean. When his last refuge was about to hand him over, he drank poison. He was never defeated. He was just abandoned.